So a lot of people have been using the Houseparty app to socially isolate and talk to their friends online, but in the past couple of days there have been more reports of the app being hacked, and people that are using the app, they've had a lot of their social medias hacked apparently. So I'm here to share with you some information about the app and just basically explain if it's been hacked or not. So the Houseparty app has been around for years, and there's been no reports of anybody being hacked from using the Houseparty application. Just recently they've had an influx of people using their app, and that's where most of the reports have came from, that Houseparty are hacking its users. Now I can't really tell you for sure if the app has been hacked or if you should delete your account or not, but what I can tell you is people have been reporting that the Houseparty app is hacking them, and then the information is just going and going and going into the whole viral system that is the media. So as soon as somebody puts something out there, it's just taking off through all of the media, through Twitter and through all of the different social medias. All of this information that's been put out there, there isn't actually any proof to it, it's just people making claims on Twitter. Now Houseparty themselves on Twitter said that all the accounts are safe, the service is secure and it's never been compromised. They also put that they're investigating indications that the hacking rumours were spread by a paid commercial smear campaign to harm Houseparty. So if that is the case, then Houseparty is completely safe. It doesn't store any passwords or anything like that. But if you are up in the air about the whole thing and you don't really want to be a part of the app anymore, I'll leave a link in the description below, which takes you to a video which shows you how you can delete it. Cheers guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.